Hello and welcome back to South London Repair. This Bang and Olufsen Beogram CD 50 came back to us. It was here around 2 years ago when we replaced the belt and applied some grease on it. But it came back because it didn't open the CD. Now, something happened, probably something stuck, and the customer tried to force it, which is really not a good idea. So in this case we have to reset the mechanism. Now my wife is the best on these things. I'm really bad. So especially when the CD is stuck there, it's really not easy. So what you want to do is lift up the optical pickup unit and basically everything with it. Place it in the safe place. You remove the CD and she's gonna show it exactly what we have to look. So there is a solenoid pin is going in. You have to push that one away and turn the rotate this gear. You will see in a few seconds.
It's going down and it's opening. And it's going back.
A little crease there? No?
Oh,
Okay.
that's this.
Okay. Alright, let's see if it's working. Obviously you have to put back together everything, but after a little assembly, everything is going back to the right place. And let's test it. Okay. Alright, so, yep, it came out, that's a good sign. And it's going back. Let's see if it spin up. Yeah, it started reading the CD, so that's good. Now, sometimes you have a problem with this switch, what you can see on the bottom of the screen on the right part. But we took care of that one a long time ago with a little deoxit. It's a leaf switch.
Okay.
And this leaf switch basically is when you press the button, that should close the circuit. You have another switch, which is basically know when the tray came out or it's slided fully in. You also have to check if this mechanism is sliding smoothly. Because like we had this holder and that was cracked, we had to glue it together. But that one is working fine now. You see on the back, yeah, perfect. Alright. So, hopefully if you give you a hard time next time, then you know what to do, what to check. And look at this beauty. It's made in 1985. So yeah, we can say it's a few mice in the engine, isn't it? And it's still doing the job. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give us a like and maybe leave some comment. If you like this kind of video, subscribe. We're gonna deliver more. Take care. Bye bye.